What's the meaning of broad bean? Broad bean. Broad bean.
Broad bean. Broad bean. Broad bean, also known as faba bean, is a type of legume that is widely cultivated for its edible seeds. The beans are typically large, flat, and have a green outer shell that must be removed before consumption. Broad beans are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to any diet. They can be prepared in many ways, including boiled, steamed, stir-fried, or used in soups and stews. Overall, broad beans are delicious and healthy, and are enjoyed by many people around the world.